Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to select bold cells in Excel. I have some bold text in the different cells. So first you need to select the both cells and then press Ctrl plus F and then click on the options and click on the format, and in the font tab you need to select the bold and click OK, and now click on the find all. So here is the cells of the all bold letters. You need to press the shift key and press on the last cell. Close it and go to the home and change the color to the, for example, orange. So the color has been changed of the all bold cells. Now select both cells. Press Ctrl Shift plus L to enable the filter. Go to the filter drop down and click on the filter by color. Click on this, and here you can see that you can just change the color after that, and here it is. So this way you can easily select bold cells in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.